I'm about to lose my voice up here. What about you? You too?
Yeah,
Are you ready for the next brawl?
I'm so ready. Atlanta, are you guys ready?
Actually run
Next
my mouth
brawl?
on
Ready?
that one.
Yes,
All right.
they're ready.
All right, it's go time. All right, so let's vacate the ring and let's get ready for these two brawlers. First up, in the red corner, fighting for the X3 Foundation, we have Javier Macintosh.
Hello, I am Javier Macintosh, and I am brawling for the X3 Foundation. They take youth from low-income backgrounds and teach them leadership development and also how to box and other developmental activities. So right now, I'm excited, just brawl for a cause.
Let's hear it for
Put your
Javier.
hands together for Javier. Let's hear it, Atlanta.
X3 Foundation, a youth development program doing after-school programs in the most at-risk areas of Atlanta. Javier's been training hard. He's ready to show us what he's got. And now, in the blue corner, we have Mark Cuevas.
My name is Mark Cuevas, and I'm fighting for mental health of America. For me, a long portion of my life, I fought with anxiety and depression, and I know there's many people in my life that are suffering with it now and have suffered with it. And I think that Brawl for a Cause is really giving me the opportunity to really not just fight for people, but to show awareness to something that there's many more people that are dealing with this issue on a daily basis. So I'm thankful for this opportunity, and I just want to show people that, hey, there's people fighting for you, and it's okay to be open and take on that challenge.
If you or someone you know have suffered from mental illness, Mark is fighting for you tonight. Let's hear it for Mark again before this round one starts. This one's gonna be a firecracker. Both are true brawlers. When they get hit, they come back twice as hard. Let's hear it for an exciting first round. Exciting first couple seconds. Trading shots back and forth.
They are brawling.
No wrestling, gentlemen. No wrestling, no wrestling.
Let's hear it for an electric first round between Mark and Javier.
Wow, wow, wow. Matt, you know this. It's not about the first round, it's about those punches in the third.
I know
The
you
third
know.
round was fire. You gotta have it some tank in the third.
I know you know all about that. You came to the third round.
Was exhausted in the third round of my fight. I was rooting for the bell. Tell you that.
Well, the bell won, and you won, making it to that third round. Well, we're about to start the second. The second round is going to be 90 seconds, so a little bit shorter, a little bit more action-packed. We're about to get started in just a few seconds. Brian, any words of wisdom?
I don't know if you can get much more action-packed in that first round. These two dudes threw nothing but punches. There was zero defense.
Well, Mark has a gas tank. He's a fitness trainer at F45 in Buckhead. And Javier does amazing videography work, has his own production company, both of them successful in their own right and both brawling for amazing causes. As we're getting ready to start the second round, Atlanta, let's hear it for Mark and Javier.
Seconds out. Stand up. Seconds out. You ready? You ready? Fight! Boxing. Here. Stop grabbing.
It's getting intense.
Okay?
It's getting intense.
We're not wrestling, okay? Here we go. Fight.
A beautiful slip from that dangerous overhand right from Mark. Javier with the head movement, the timing. This is such a good fight.
Break! Let it go! Let it go! I said break! Fight!
Back and forth, trading shots. There might not be much defense, but there's certainly a lot of action.
I mean, Matt, you saw it. Those arms get heavy in round two. Those gloves get heavy in round two.
I don't know about you, Moo, but I don't want this fight to be over, man. I can't believe we're already at round 3, and we only got a minute left.
I mean, we've had boxing tonight. This match is brawling. It is brawling. It's two guys throwing nothing but punches.
They're giving it all, that's for sure. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait for this 1 minute third round. 1 minute to give it everything they've got. 1 minute until their Brawl For A Cause journey comes to an end. They'll still be able to write their check. They'll still be able to be an advocate for their cause. But this last minute is what it all comes down to for their 2019 Brawl For A Cause.
I mean, I don't want to be a judge of a boxing match ever. I do not want to be one of this match now, because I don't even know how you score it at this point, based on the fact that both these guys are in there just swinging.
All right, Atlanta, put your hands together. The final round, round 3, Mark and Javier. Let's hear it, Atlanta.
Those overhand rights are so dangerous. Javier keeps dodging them. He's dodging with head movement, he's dodging with speed. But if one of those lands, it could be devastating. Both of them are stringing together some amazing punches. The fatigue's starting to weigh in, but this is where the heart comes in. This is when they think about their cause. This is when they finish strong. Let them hear it.
Give it up, everybody. It's a rare matchup where you find two boxers who don't play defense. Nothing but punches. Whole time. What's blocking with I don't care. Amazing.
Yeah, Brian, undoubtedly one of the most close and epic fights we've seen all night,
I don't know how you score this. I don't know.
Atlanta, what'd you guys think? Wasn't this an awesome bout?
Oh, man. I'd ask him how he feels, but never a good idea to put a microphone in someone's face who is trying to survive with air. These two guys. Give it up for them, everybody. Come on, they're right here. This is their moment. The moment.
Brian, this is what Brawl For A Cause is all about. Two ordinary guys who are passionate about a nonprofit.
Ordinary?
Right,
Ordinary?
superheroes tonight in this ring.
Ordinary. These guys were in there just trading shots for 5 minutes.
First match. They've never boxed before in their life until tonight.
Amazing. I want no part of this decision. I want no part of this. The judges have it rough right now.
Official, yes.
No part of this.
Official decision. It's going to be close. It's going to be close, Brian. Audience, do you have any ideas? What do you guys think? Red or blue?
Ooh.
All the way, right? All right. We're almost there.
A very close matchup, back and forth the whole 3 rounds.
Here we go.
Let's see what the judges
Right.
have decided. Javier and Mark in the center of the ring.
A
Both have been an incredible brawler.
So, Mark, Javier, I know you both. I love you both. I'm so proud of how hard you fought in the ring. You guys ready? Winner by split decision is blue corner, Mark.
Woo.
Give it up for both these
Give it up for
brawlers
both of our
fighting their
brawlers.
hearts out.
Javier, come and talk to me for
one
just
second,
a
one
second.
second. Can you see the love these guys have for each other? What do you go? Come on. These dudes, split decision means one judge thought otherwise.
That's right.
But these two dudes right here, the love you have when you have that fight is unbelievable.
All right, Javier, you mean so much to me. I'm so proud of you. What did you fight for tonight, and how do you feel?
I fought for the X3 Foundation. They help kids from all over, not as good backgrounds. Everybody from X3 Sports who helped me, thank you very much. Everybody, thank you. I appreciate it. It's been a journey.
Put your hands together for Javier. Awesome job. And Mark, I got a medal for you. Can I put it up over you? All right, Mark, you've been working so hard. This moment must feel amazing. What made you come in and train so hard and fight tonight, and how do you feel?
First and foremost, I want to thank God for helping me. I fought for mental health of awareness today, and I don't know who else is fighting with anxiety and depression, but you got somebody fighting, keep fighting. So many times I wanted to quit, I just kept going. And I'm here, not about the wins or the losses, it's about how hard I worked to get here, and I know Javier worked just as hard. So keep on going no matter who you are, who needs to hear this. Thank God and my family and my people right here supporting me right here. Thank you.
Mark, hands up, go over to your audience. Javier, you too. Put your hands together for these brawlers who fought in this ring. Brawl For A Cause